So our lungs are the organs controlling our pores breathing. If you want to do an exercise, every time you do the inhale, you feel that all of your muscle tight up, right? And then every time you exhale, your muscle relax and then your pores open. So our pores breathing is controlled by the lungs. If he has the weak lungs, his lungs will not be able to close up the pores tight. So if there's a air come in, it's pretty much his window is always open. Tons of air will go into his lungs. And then he will have tons of mucus because it's just like you get a chill, right? So all this chill go in and goosebump, and then you're starting to have like runny nose, coughing, phlegm, and then your lungs trying to push out all this phlegm by coughing, and then split out all this mucus and stuff, right?